To change the bar colors, to use your scripts, right click on any bar, go to the properties icon and change the color scheme to custom, and then an option appears underneath there called custom color scripts. We mouse over that, click the plus sign to add the script, and then the three dots to open up the script editor. Now I'm going to use RSI 5 greater than 75, so where that condition is true, this feature obviously only works for true-false conditions, so where RSI 5 is above 75 will be colored green. So when we click apply, you can see those bars there change color to match the indicator at the bottom of the screen, just for confirmation. So let's say we want to have another color, so right click on any bar again, pencil for the properties, custom color scripts, hit the plus button again, select the color of the bars that you want. So I'm going to choose red, click the three buttons, and I'm going to create a new one this time. So RSI 5 period is less than 35, and when I click apply, those bars will change colors as well. And obviously where they're not, where they're between 75 and 35, if we go to color scripts, where the condition isn't met, we can change that color as well for the default color. So we could make that for just an example. That's pretty horrible, so we'll just put it back to black. Let's do a more complex example now using the if functions that we saw in the previous video. So I'm going to reset these color scripts. I'm just going to delete them so they all turn black, and I may as well get rid of that RSI 5. So what I'm going to do is use the moving average ranking. So I'm going to go to the script manager and then MA rank, and I'm going to highlight that and then Control and C with my keyboard to copy that, and I'm going to close that, and then to change the colors again, right click, pencil, still on the custom color scheme, but we're now going to add a new color, a new script. So that script that we copied is in the clipboard, so now we can paste it in here using Control and V on your keyboard. Now obviously this isn't a true-false condition because it can be one of four results. So I'm going to create a new variable called R1 equals whatever that condition may be. So where R1 equals 1, now you'll notice I did two equal signs there. That's because if we used a single equal sign like we have in the variables, it will think that I'm creating a new variable called 1. So we have to use either the double equals, or we can use the equals operator. So where R1 equals 1, i.e. both moving averages are sloping up, we want a green bar. So when we click that to apply that color, so that is where those two moving averages are both sloping up. Likewise, we can go back in and do the other three colors. So plus, we'll keep that blue, we'll paste again. Actually what I'm going to do is open up the first one we did because we created the variable, Control C, and then add it to the blue bar color as well. So now Control V to copy that, and instead of equals 1, I'm just going to change that to equals 2, and now those blue bars have been drawn, and we can keep doing that 2 more times. So plus, let's have orange for 3, again Control V, change the 1 to a 3, and lastly, well, we don't actually need the fourth one. We can just set the default color to red, because obviously that is where they're both sloping down. So we can apply those moving averages to the chart just for confirmation, and you can see that the colors match when those slopes are going in those directions. And as we change charts as well, so you can see I've got the chart element on there, MA rank 4. So this is Google, so if we change this to Apple, that's still 4. Or as we click through a watch list, but all I'm doing here is just clicking on the chart background and then typing a ticker symbol. So SPX for the index. So currently they're both sloping up. So MA rank 1 and bar color is green.